How to fix threads login problem in BGMI EOS. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. After these steps, scroll down for search and or click search here and go to your app threads. Click for stop and click OK and click data, and before data click storage, click clear data and click OK. Click clear cache and go to data and turn off Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi and turn off mobile data and turn on mobile data. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.